welcome to the channel. So on my Instagram, one of my friends did a comparison between pasture raised versus free range versus cage free eggs, and the comparison was crazy. And I've been like experimenting with different eggs and stuff like that, since eggs are a staple to how I lost so much weight so fast. And so I want to know in the comment section, do you guys like have a preference on eggs? Does it matter? And also, does like brown versus white really mean anything? Does anyone prefer one over the other? Comment that down below and let me know what y'all got going on. But anyway, let's get into this video. One of the biggest keys to my weight loss has been eggs. Eating eggs has helped me maintain my satiation. They also are so versatile, and even if it's like a salad or something, I can just do a boiled egg and add it. I try to make sure that I eat at least 2 to 3 eggs a day. This is not every single day, but in a week out of 7 days, I would say I eat eggs at least 4 out of the 7. If I make tuna, I add eggs, and when I'm doing breakfast foods, I like to add mushrooms and the spinach Florentine. That's really like, I don't know, I just love the flavor. So I do stuff like this, and I like quick meals because I really just don't have a lot of time to be sitting around cooking every day. So meal prepping has also been like key to my success. I hated the whole idea of meal prepping, but now I can like play around with different breakfast type foods and doing different meats and stuff and seeing what works. But yeah, this is really what's been working for me, and I have goals. I probably have like another 15 pounds before the new year, but we will see how this thing goes. Comment down below and thumbs this video up. Also subscribe to the channel and let me know what y'all think.